how to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to unlink your Facebook account from your WhatsApp account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook is going to be on your Facebook profile. So to get started, navigate to your Facebook profile. I'm just going to do it by selecting my profile icon next to what's on my mind. Once on your profile, select personal details, and then just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll see contact info and you'll see social media. Select a little pencil and you'll see your WhatsApp right there. Go ahead and select the pencil next to that and select remove. So now just make sure you save that and then it will remove WhatsApp from your Facebook profile. Now, if you want to fully unlink your WhatsApp account from your Facebook account, we could do that by selecting the 3 lines in the top left next to the Facebook logo. Once the menu opens up, scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Once the settings open, select Account Center, and all we want to do is select Manage Accounts, and in here just look for WhatsApp and select Manage next to WhatsApp. So once you're in here, you can completely unlink your WhatsApp from your Facebook account by selecting Move out of this Account Center, and then just select Move Account, and then select Continue. And this will completely disconnect and unlink your WhatsApp account from your Facebook account once you select Continue. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.